This corner of the Atlantic Ocean may be just a spot on the maps, but in legends, this place is the Devil's Playground. An imaginary boundary drawn between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. The Bermuda Triangle. For centuries, ships, planes, and people have vanished here without a trace. Is this a natural phenomenon? A conspiracy? Or something that cannot even be explained by science? The area is one of the world's busiest points for ship and air traffic. So, why are the disappearance rates so striking? Historical records trace the roots of the mystery back to ancient times. Even Christopher Columbus's logs mention strange compass readings and fireballs in the sky encountered in these waters. The most famous of the disappearances is undoubtedly the Flight 19 incident. December 5, 1945. 5 Avenger torpedo bombers belonging to the U.S. Navy took off from Florida for a routine training flight. This squadron of 5 experienced pilots soon began sending distress calls over the radio. The pilots reported that their compasses were spinning wildly and that even the ocean around them looked unfamiliar. The final radio transmissions contained sheer panic and loss of direction. Not only did the squadron simply vanish, but the PBM Mariner rescue aircraft sent to search for them shared the exact same fate. The Triangle's list of losses is not limited to aircraft. The seas are also an ominous graveyard for crewless ghost ships, such as the Mary Celeste incident found in 1872. The ship was in perfect condition, but while its food and valuables were untouched, its entire crew had disappeared. Was this a mutiny? A pirate attack? Or an unknown force emerging from the depths of the sea? When scientists and navigation experts put aside the legends and started looking for rational answers, the secrets slowly began to unravel. The first theory is magnetic variation. The region is one of the few places where true north and magnetic north do not align, showing large deviations in compass readings. An inexperienced pilot or captain can quickly turn these deviations into rapid and fatal navigation errors. However, the most striking geological theory is the methane gas bubble theory. Solid methane hydrates, frozen under high pressure on the ocean floor, can be released by seismic activity. The gas bubbles that rise to the surface suddenly reduce the density of the water. When a ship enters this area, its buoyancy is instantly eliminated. The vessels sink like a stone without warning. Finally, weather and human error. The region hosts some of the world's fastest and most violent storms. Furthermore, the speed of the Gulf Stream and the shallow reefs rapidly carry any wreckage away after an accident. Most of the time, the greatest enemy is not nature, but inexperience and human error. So, is the Bermuda Triangle a sensationalized myth? Or is it truly the center of an unexplained phenomenon? Rational explanations can shed light on many disappearances, but incidents like Flight 19 are still not fully solved, and scientists continue their research. Gerçek nerede yatıyor olursa olsun, Bermuda şeytan üçgeni bize okyanusun ne kadar güçlü, ne kadar bilinmez ve ne kadar tehlikeli olabileceğini hatırlatmaya devam edecek. And the secrets beneath the waves await discovery.